Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change DNS server in your computer in a very simple way. Well, I'm going to change the DNS server for better performance in my website. For that, what you have to do, you have to simply open your settings and then you can simply come over into network and internet option. Whenever you click on it, then you're going to get the Ethernet because my computer have only Ethernet connection, not Wi-Fi. You can simply do these settings with the Wi-Fi also, same settings. Just simply click on the Ethernet and then you will going to get the option called DNS server assignment. If you click on edit, then you're going to get it set it into automatic. So I'm going to get it into a manual. Select it as manual, then select the IPv4 and the preferred DNS is the Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. It's an Cloudflare and then the DNS over HTTPS is currently off and the alternative DNS is 8.8.8.8. It's an Google DNS. Okay, so with the same, now you can simply click on save and just simply restart your PC and you're going to find out a better performance from your changing this DNS server. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if it helps. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.